Whether you are the proud owner of a hamster, dog, horse, pig, cat, bunny, bird, iguana, or one of the long list of other animal friends, your pet can benefit from some of the same supplements, herbs, homeopathy, and remedies that help you. How do you determine what your specific pet's needs are? At RHC Pet Health, we can help determine the energetic health of an animal through scanning of hair and saliva, or nail clippings, and a urine sample. With our full scan, we analyze the results of the samples and provide you with an online report on the complete energetic findings of the scan. This includes stress levels, food and environmental sensitivities, a list of resonating toxins, and what hormonal and nutritional imbalances are present in your pet's body. Within the report, we provide a custom regimen for diet and a detailed program that includes herbs, homeopathic remedies, essential oils, flower essences, and nutritional supplements, all of which you can easily purchase through us. For your convenience, we can even set you up on a monthly delivery schedule with your pet's products being delivered right to your door. Visit our website for further information to help you decide which kit works best for you and your pet, so you can order today.